everybody. It's Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's Tuesday tip. So I have a project that is going to blow your mind. Get ready. We are going to need just 5 minutes, and we're going to create an amazing gift that you will be able to whip up in no time, and it's going to knock your socks off. I guarantee you, you're going to want to stick around for this one. So let's head over to my stamping table and I'll show you exactly what we're going to create. These are just so cool. So I'm going to show you how you're going to take your favorite card, that card that you made that you loved, and look what we're going to do. We're going to turn it into a candy, gift card, cash, any type of gift, whatever is going to fit in that little bag. You have a place to write your message. You have your card and your gift all in one. It stands up. This card here, this is a fun fold. Yep, you can even take your favorite fun fold card and you can create, whoops, sorry, let me try that again. And so every card that you have, the only thing you have to remember with this project is your card needs to be a portrait card. So that means the 4 1/4 at the top, 5 1/2 on the sides. That's what this has been designed for. I can't even begin to tell you how easy this is to make. All right, are you ready? This is what we need. That's it. That's it. So we need candy. We need something to go inside our bag. Like I said, it could be a gift card or cash or candy, just about anything. You're going to need one of our clear envelopes. This is a Stampin' Up! Medium clear envelopes. You're going to find those in the catalog. You're going to want your favorite card, right? Your favorite card. Remember, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. The 4 1/4 needs to be at the top, so a card that's ready to give. And then this is what we need to create the packaging part. This is why I said it's a 5-minute project. Half a sheet of cardstock, 4 1/4 by 11. We got it, right? We're going to do some simple scoring. Your scoring measurements are 1 inch, 6 1/2 inches, 7 1/8 of an inch, and 7 3/4. That's all. It's so easy. Now I'm going to take this bottom part here and I'm just going to accordion fold it. We're going to give these score lines a nice little crease. This one up here, you're going to fold that one over. So you can kind of start to see how it's going to go together. But Connie, there's a big open spot. I know, don't worry, we're going to take care of that. So that's the base of my little gift bag, box, whatever you want to call it. Not to worry if you have missed any of those measurements. Yep, I've got a free download for you. You'll find that at SimplySimpleStamping.com, or you can just look down in the YouTube description. There is a direct link that'll take you right to it. Download it. I guarantee you this is one you're going to want to hang on to, because when you're needing a gift in a hurry, this project is the one for you. All right, are you ready to put it together? Let's go. Now, I'm going to start with my card, and I'm going to attach the card right up here at the top. Oh, and I should have mentioned too, the cardstock color that you pick, you want it to match your card. So I decided to just go with white on this one. And this one here, you see how I add some balmy blue? So I use balmy blue. So just pick your favorite cardstock color. It's going to work great. Okay, I'm going to bring in some adhesive, and I am simply going to put adhesive right here up at the top in that 1 inch area. Guys, I'm going to take my card and you're just going to line it up. I always tell you, don't press anything down until you're sure you're good and centered. Let me set that off to the side, because now I'm going to take my envelope and I'm going to fill it with my gift. So I've just got some Hershey Kisses here. Now, whatever you put inside, you want the bag to kind of stay flat. So you don't want to overfill this so it gets too full. But I'm going to take the flap of my clear envelope. I hope that you can see that. Let me try to put something underneath it. Can you see there's the line of my clear envelope? I want to fold this right to that line. So right where the opening is, you're going to peel off this backing. We just fold that over. That's what we need. That's going to make it just the right size. Okay, now let's open up our card. Looks like I got a little schmutz there, but guess what? It's not going to matter. Okay, so this section here, this is still that same 1 inch section, and you can see, hopefully, I know it's on white, but there is that section there, and I'm going to put adhesive on that. Now, I'm going to take my candy, and you're going to see, by the way, there's the adhesive. This sits right inside that opening, okay? Right inside. So the edge of my envelope just goes right to the edge where that fold is. Ready? Fold. All right, now the candy's attached. The last thing we need to do is we need to attach this panel to my card. That's all. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? So we're going to flip this over. I will put some adhesive here and on the sides. Place that over the candy. Line up the bottom of the card with the bottom of the box. Line it up. When you're good, give it a press. I can write. Now, I'm going to recommend you probably write your message before you do all that, but that is a way you can turn any card into a fabulous gift. I mean, it's so easy. So you notice this card opens, from right to left. This one opens from top to bottom. As long as it's in portrait mode, you're good. And of course, remember our fun fold. Any way, any card, as long as it's portrait, you're going to be able to create a fabulous little gift. What a great way to say thanks, or thanks for being awesome, or happy birthday. Maybe you've got coworkers. I'm telling you, 5 minutes and you got it. Thank you everyone so much for joining me. Oh, I hope you loved that video. I loved creating this project. If you liked it, would you give me a thumbs up on YouTube? I so appreciate that. And hey, if you love the video, why not become a subscriber? There's a great big red subscribe button that's just lonely and waiting for you to tap it so YouTube can let you know whenever I'm back with a new video. I'd love to have you here on the channel. Thank you again for being here, everybody. I can't wait to stamp with you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.